Hello, I'm Refashionista Sherry, and clearly my shirt is way too big. Now, I've been searching for kind of a fitted, well-fitting black long sleeve t-shirt forever because I love wearing this kind of stuff, you know, under my big bulky sweaters in the wintertime. And I thrifted this one online and totally thought, yay, it's gonna fit. No, it doesn't. And again, it's thrifted. It's not worth it to send it back at all. Speaking of thrifting online, if you don't already, I highly recommend it and shall link to my closet that you can shop down below. Okay, so I kind of, love this though. I love the fabric. I don't know if you can see, but it's like ribbed and it's super duper soft. And I mean, it is very, very stretchy. I could wear it off the shoulder if I wanted to, but I mean, I was, looking for a fitted black t-shirt and this is definitely not it. So today we're going to transform this in just literally a couple of snips, no sewing at all, and we're going to make it awesome so I can actually wear it. Let's get started. For this super duper quick project, all you need is your slightly or more than slightly oversized shirt plus your scissors. So the very first thing you need to do is figure out how long you would like the back of your soon-to-be wrap top to be. And for myself, I find it easiest to put on a pair of pants or jeans or trousers that has already the ideal kind of height of waistband that I would like the length of my shirt to be. That makes sense. Okay, so I put the shirt on with my ideal height of pants and then just kind of put my finger right at the waistband and mark it with a piece of chalk. If you don't have chalk, just stick a pin in there. So as you can see here, my mark is not perfect at all, which is totally fine because we're just using it as a very basic guideline. Okay, so what you want to do now is cut only the back part of your shirt. You are leaving the front part as it is, and you're going to cut up the back to your line straight across and then back down again. So you can see here I have just the back of my shirt cut to that length that I want it to be, and I've tried it on and it is totally fine. I highly recommend at this point to go try your shirt on, and if you need to cut a little bit more, by all means go ahead. Now I have flipped my shirt over and I'm just going to chop straight down from the center of the neckline all the way down the front through the bottom hem. So of course, because I am me, I did manage to chop the back of mine a little bit too short. So instead of my normal rise jeans, I have on my super duper high rise jeans, which I love these high-waisted jeans so much. Anyway, so what you have now is a shirt that looks like this, that has these two generous side ties, and the bigger and stretchier your shirt is, of course, the longer you can stretch the ties. So you can simply knot it in the front and you're good to go. Or do the wrap shirt and wrap one side over the other side, stretch it as much as you need to, and tie it in the back. One more time. Yes, I can do it. Okay, and then just kind of arrange the front as you would like it, and there you go. Gorgeous. This is just so awesome now. I absolutely love that I can wear it different ways. I can throw it over a dress if I want to, just knot it in the front. Fantastic. And yeah, I'm also pleased that I can actually wear it with these fabulously high-waisted jeans. These jeans have such a high waist, it is insane, and they are so comfortable and so cool, and so absolutely totally vintage 80s, which is awesome. These are like the ultimate in high-waisted mom jeans, which is fine because I'm a mom, right? Anyway, tomorrow I have, of course, another fabulous tutorial coming at you in my 30 days of refashions for my birthday month, and I really do hope you have been enjoying them. Let me know down below if you have anything in particular in your own wardrobe that you would like to see me make a tutorial for. And yeah, I want to start trying to do more no-sew and more easy type of tutorials. Let me know if you'd like that. If there's, more things that are really back to basics, only need scissors or bleach or dye or something like that, let me know, and I shall provide. Anyway, until tomorrow, stay safe, stay well, and I'll catch ya on the zigzag. La, 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 la.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.